So what we have is custom 3D chassis, battery pack that I made myself, which is 2300 milliamps, 14500 twin that I put together myself. And you can see where the recharge port sits in. There is a CEX and it's mounted inside this section here on another part of the chassis which comes forward. There's also an LED mounted in section at the front of the chassis in there. This was the first one that I built that had a removable speaker as well, and there's that is your rice socket, so you can connect to the rice. That goes in there, don't get any rattles. This is hard doing this whilst holding the camera and looking through the screen. That slots in there like that. And it just goes to show the acoustics difference when you've got the main body on. So there you have it, back together again. Put the kill key in. Hey presto.